Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain the two problems from the weekly contest 468. So our first question is bitwise are of even numbers in an array. So we are given with an array here. We are supposed to find out the r of every number which are even. So we need to get r of every even number from the array. I will implement a Java solution in this. Let me declare an variable called answer and initialize it to 0. Now I am going to iterate for each number, and if I encounter any even number, then I will do a bitwise OR for it. I less than nums dot length I plus plus. So we need to keep a condition to check whether the number is even or not. For that, if we divide the number by 2, if we get 0 remainder, then it is an even number. Then we need to have a bitwise OR for it. Nums of I. So bitwise OR operator in Java is a pipe symbol. At last, we need to return the answer variable. So after running this query, I can see we are getting some output. Let's quickly check with the sample test cases given. I hope we are getting the correct answers. Let me submit now. Yes, it is passing all the test cases. So let's get into the second question, which is a medium level problem. So our second question is maximum total subarray value 1. We are given with an integer array nums of length n and an integer k. You need to choose exactly k non-empty subarrays nums from L to R of nums. Subarrays may overlap and exact same subarray can be chosen more than once. So here exact same subarray, same L and R can be chosen more than once. This is the important statement in this question. The value of a subarray is defined max minus min. So in order to construct the value of a subarray, the formula for that is max of the subarray minus minimum of that subarray. Total value is the sum of values of all chosen subarrays. So we need to construct a value for each subarray. We need to consider k subarrays, and we have to uh, uh, get the total value of all those subarrays. Return the maximum values you can achieve. A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements with an array. So what they are asking is, we will be given with an array and a k. So this is the problem statement given. So k is given as 3, nums are 4 to 5, 1. So we have to construct, we need to take 3 subarrays and we have to get 3 values. The definition of value is maximum of the subarray minus minimum of that subarray. So we are also given with an condition here. We can consider a single subarray as as many number of times. So what if I consider entire array as a subarray? Then I will take maximum of that nums, I mean array. So maximum of this array is 5 and minimum of that subarray is 1. So what I'm going to take is this entire subarray will be taken as a entire array is taken as a subarray. I will take maximum and minimum and I will multiply it with k. So what we get 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 4 into 3 will be 12. So 12 will be the maximum total value we can get from this array. So we can see here we are getting 12 as an answer. This will be applicable for every uh, test case. Let me implement the Python solution for this. Mm, First we need to iterate over the array. I think no need to iterate. We can directly calculate using the inbuilt functions max of nums. Let the minimum of the numbers be min of nums. Return first. Let calculate diff as maxi minus minimum. So if you get if here it is nothing but a value which they are asking. If you multiply it with k, then we'll get the total value. So for 1, 3, 2 we are getting 4 as an output, and 4 to 5 and 5, 1 we are getting 12 as an output. Let me submit and check once. Yes, it is passing all the test cases. So these are my solutions for this weekly contest 468. If you got any other answers other than these two questions, please post in the comment section. And if you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to help you guys.